this thing right.
She's someone who really goes out of her way to make sure that everyone is taken care of, even to a detriment at times. But yeah, extremely caring and a fireball. Yeah, that's something I live by, and it's gotten me this far, and I'm hoping that it takes us even further.
Your eyes are the windows to heaven.
My love, I am looking forward to today. Through all the turmoils and all the stresses, let's just focus on what matters is the both of us, and I'm really looking forward to professing my love to you in front of everyone. I'm looking forward to spending forever with you, and I'm looking forward to the rest of my life.
The other half that makes me whole. I think the angels are your brothers, yeah, yeah. They told you about me. What she needs, and I find myself thinking you're mother for giving birth to a saint. My spirit flies when I say your name. If there's one thing that's true, it's that I was born to love you. And your eyes are the windows to heaven. Your smile could heal a million souls. Your love completes my existence. You're the other half that
Give
makes
you this ring
As a token of the covenant
made between us,
and as a pledge of our mutual love,
sign that I have taken you to be my wife.
that I have taken you to be my husband.
Believe in